for real duh.
I'm calling because I need some advice. My friend tried to kiss me and she tried to play it off like it was cool, but it really wasn't.
Hey caller, I'm so glad you called. I think what you need to do is that next time she tries to kiss you, let her know that you know it was her who tried to kiss you and know that you're not okay with it.
Hi, I'm a totally different caller calling about a totally different situation. But like I have this stats problem and I was just wondering what the probability is that x is at least 3.5.
Hey new caller, I'm really glad that you called me. So you're wondering what the probability is that x is at least 3.5, which means it has to be greater than or equal to 3.5. Well, as we can see, those numbers would be the probability of 4 and probability of 5. So we just do probability of 4 plus the probability of 5. That's going to equal 1/6 plus 1/2. We're then going to give them a common denominator, which would be 6. So we have 1/6 plus 3/6 equals 4/6, and then simplify that to get 2/3. And that is the probability that x is greater than or equal to 3.5.
Hello, totally new caller here, calling about totally new stat problem. I was just wondering what the standard deviation of x is.
Hey caller, great question. This is going to be a tough one. Alright, so to find the standard deviation, we use the formula of standard deviation equals the square root of the sum of all values of x minus the mean squared times the probability of that value of x. So first to do this, we have to find the mean. So the mean is the sum of every number times its probability. So that gives us 3 times 1/3 plus 4 times 1/6 plus 5 times 1/2, which gives us 1 plus 2/3 plus 5/2, and then we're going to put it all over 6 again like we did with that other caller that called before. So that gives us 6/6 plus 4/6 plus 15/6, which gives us 25/6. So now that we have our mean, we can now find the standard deviation. So our standard deviation is going to be the square root, this is a tough one, of 3 minus 25/6 squared times 1/3 plus 4 minus 25/6 squared times 1/6. I'm just going to keep the square root going right here. So it's going to be plus 5 minus 25/6 squared times 1/2. And overall, after using our calculator to find out what that equals, we find that that equals 0.8975. And yeah, that's it. Easy peasy. Thank you for calling.
Oh no, bonjour. I have a question about the SAT score data. I was wondering if you knew the standard deviation and the mean of the collected data.
Excellent question, caller. So for this one, to find the mean is actually quite simple. You simply add up the mean of the other three scores. So that gives us 496 plus 514 plus 488, which equals 1498. To find the standard deviation, however, is a lot harder, but once we do all the work, we find that standard deviation equals 199.2. Thanks for the call.
Yeah, hello. I was about to take the SAT and I was wondering what the probability will be that I get a score, a combined score of higher than 2000. Thank you.
Billing. Hello. Great question. Okay, so to figure out what the probability is that you're going to get a 2000 or greater on the SAT, you're going to need a graphing calculator, hopefully a TI-84 if I'm being completely honest. All you're going to do is put in your mean as 14 98, which is just the mean of SAT scores. Then you're going to put in your standard deviation as 199.2, which is the standard deviation of SAT scores. And then you're going to put your limit number as 2000, and you're going to mark this as a lower limit on your calculator. If you have TI 84, then you can do that. If you don't, then, well, buy a TI 84 and you can do it this way. And then once you do all that, your calculator will then give you the number 0.0059. So in other words, you only have a 0.59% chance of getting that score or greater. But good luck, caller.